I just came back from my first cacao sound bowl session, and you know what I learned that I wasn't expecting? Cacao isn't just chocolate, it's medicine for the heart. Long before it became candy, cacao was sacred. Ancient civilizations like the Maya and Aztecs used it in rituals to connect with spirit, community, and truth. Not sugar-loaded bars, but pure, minimally processed cacao, rich in compounds that actually support your nervous system. Here's where science meets soul. Cacao contains theobromine, a gentle stimulant that increases blood flow, especially to the heart and brain. It also supports serotonin and dopamine, which can elevate mood and emotional openness. That's why many people feel softer, more connected, more present during ceremony. But here's the real magic: intention. A cacao ceremony isn't about the drink alone. It's about slowing down, setting an intention, sitting with your emotions instead of running from them, sometimes with music, journaling, meditation, or simply stillness. And no, you don't need a sacred temple in some hidden jungle lost in time to experience the benefits. You can create your own sacred moment at home. Warm your cacao, hold it in your hands, set an intention, breathe, sip slowly, listen inward. Just one gentle note, my loves. Cacao is powerful. If you're pregnant, sensitive to stimulants, or have heart conditions, it's wise to consult a professional first, because this isn't about escape, it's about coming home to your heart. So tell me, if you sat in ceremony tonight, what truth would you finally let yourself feel or awaken to?